If you like my video, please do subscribe, like and share.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, friends. My name is Nawami. I'm going to talk about birds. Birds have wings and feathers. Birds have two legs. Birds have tail. Birds have beak, no teeth. Use of beaks. Bees used to clean their bodies. Bees used to eat their food. Bees used to build their nest. Bees used to give their food for their babies. Birds lay eggs. Birds are warm-blooded. What do they eat? Some birds eat nectar like a hummingbird. Some birds eat fruits like a parrot. Some birds eat fish like a kingfisher. Some birds eat fish like an eagle. Some birds eat worms like a hen. Some birds eat insects like a hoopoe. Some birds eat seeds and grains like a sparrow. Why we need birds? Birds control pests. Birds spread seeds. Birds clean up nature. Some birds can fly, some birds cannot fly. Let's see brightest bird. Ostrich are the biggest bird. Penguin, kiwi, emu are no flying birds. Let's see flying birds. Hummingbird are the smallest bird. Cuckoo, peacock, pigeon, falcon, eagle, flamingo, seagull, crow, vulture, parrot, kingfisher, myna, woodpecker, all turkey, hornbill, quail, macaw, cockatoo are flying birds. It's question time. Can you name these birds? Hen and rooster. Hen, smiley. Can you name these birds? Swan and duck. Can you find flightless birds? Biggest bird, penguin. Can you count these flying birds? Hummingbird or goose? National bird of UAE is falcon. National bird of Pakistan is chukar. National bird of India is peacock. Thank you.
If you like my video, please do subscribe, like and share.